Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Daily. I'm Jessica, and I'm so glad you're joining us today.
And I'm Eric. Hey, Jessica. I have to say, I'm really excited about today's topic.
Me too, Eric. So listeners, today we're going to explore something really practical. We're talking about how your everyday activities can help you improve your English. You know, the things you do every single day. Making breakfast, going shopping, even just riding the bus.
Wait, you mean I don't need to sit with a textbook for hours?
Exactly. That's the whole point. Learning doesn't only happen at a desk. It can happen anywhere, in your kitchen, at the store, or even while you're relaxing at home.
That sounds amazing. So where should we start?
Let's start with something we all do, our morning routine. Eric, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Coffee. Definitely coffee. I can't function without it.
Perfect example. So imagine this. You're in your kitchen making coffee. Instead of just making it quietly, try describing what you're doing in English. You could say things like, I'm pouring water into the kettle, or this coffee smells wonderful.
Oh, I see. So I'm kind of creating my own English practice moment.
Exactly. You're turning a normal activity into a language exercise. And here's a useful word, narrate. Narrate means to tell or describe something as it happens, like telling a story.
So I'm narrating my morning. That's pretty cool. What else could I say?
Well, when you add sugar, you might think, I need 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Or when you taste it, this is perfect. Simple sentences, but they really help.
I like this. It's easy and it doesn't feel like work.
That's the beauty of it. Now, let's move to another daily activity, going to the supermarket.
Oh, I go shopping almost every week. How can not help my English?
Great question. Even if the labels in your local supermarket aren't in English, you can still practice. Just look around and name things in English. When you see apples and carrots, think produce section. That's the area where fresh fruits and vegetables are sold.
Okay, so I'm mentally labeling everything.
Yes, and you can go further. Pick up a carton of milk and describe it. This is low-fat milk. Low-fat means it doesn't contain much fat. It's healthier.
Got it. What about meat or chicken?
Perfect. If you pick up chicken, you might notice it says skinless. Skinless means the skin has been taken off. Or maybe boneless, no bones inside.
So I'm building vocabulary just by shopping for dinner.
Absolutely. And here's another tip. Practice forming questions in your head. Even if no one answers, it's good training.
Like what kind of questions?
Things like, where can I find the pasta? Or do you have any organic vegetables? Organic means grown naturally without chemicals.
That's smart. I never thought about practicing questions by myself.
It really works. Your brain gets used to creating English sentences naturally. Now, let's talk about your commute, your trip to work or school each day.
My commute is usually pretty boring, to be honest.
Well, let's make it more interesting. This is actually perfect time for listening practice. You could listen to podcasts like ours, or simple English songs, or even audiobooks.
But what if I don't understand everything I hear?
That's totally okay. You don't need to understand every single word. Your ears are getting used to English sounds and rhythm. That's really valuable.
So it's still helping even when I'm confused.
Yes. Plus, you can look around and describe what you see. Try saying things like, the train is full today, or I see someone reading a newspaper.
Oh, I could also read signs, right? Like emergency exit or no smoking.
Perfect examples. Even short signs teach you useful vocabulary. And here's the key word, commute. Your commute is your regular journey between home and work or school.
So my boring bus ride is actually a learning opportunity.
Exactly. Now, here's one of my favorite activities for learning: cooking.
Oh, I love cooking, but how does that connect to English?
Cooking is full of action words. We call them verbs. Every time you prepare food, you're doing actions that have English names.
Like what?
Well, you chop vegetables. That means cutting them into small pieces. You boil water, heating it until you see bubbles. You mix ingredients together. You pour liquids from one container to another.
Those are all really useful words.
They are. And you can try following a simple recipe in English. Recipes use clear, short instructions.
Like add salt or stir well?
Perfect! Stir means to move something around with a spoon. And while you cook, describe your actions out loud. I'm frying eggs, or I'm tasting the soup to check if it needs salt.
This is fun. I'm going to try this tonight.
Great! And our last topic today is entertainment, watching shows or movies in English.
Oh, I watch a lot of videos, but sometimes I feel lost because I don't understand everything.
That's completely normal, Eric. You don't need to understand every word to learn. The important thing is exposure, spending time with English.
So what should I do? Use subtitles?
Yes, English subtitles are really helpful. Your eyes read the words while your ears hear them. This helps your brain connect sounds and spelling.
Should I pause and look up every new word?
Not every word. That's too stressful. Instead, just notice useful phrases that people say often, like, "Are you serious?" which means, "Is that really true?" Or, "I'll be right back." That means, "I'll return soon."
So I'm learning how people really talk, not just textbook English.
Exactly. You're learning natural, everyday expressions.
Jessica, this has been so helpful. I feel like I can practice English all day long now.
That's the idea. Your whole day becomes a learning experience. Let's quickly recap the main points.
Sure. First, narrate your morning routine. Describe what you're doing while making coffee or getting ready.
Second, practice at the supermarket by naming items and creating questions in your mind.
Third, use your commute to listen to English and describe what you see around you.
Fourth, cook while describing your actions and following simple English recipes.
And fifth, watch shows with subtitles and notice common phrases.
Perfect summary, Eric. Remember, listeners, small daily practices add up to big progress.
You don't need extra time. Just use the time you already have.
Exactly. We hope this gives you lots of ideas to try.
Thanks so much for listening to Practice English Daily.
Keep practicing every day, stay curious, and believe in yourself. You're doing great.
See you next time.
Bye for now.